The way to compare analog and digital world in fraud and crime area is really hard because those are totally two different worlds. So it's kind of comparing like bank robbery. Guy enters a bank office with a gun. He can cause a lot of damage there, but what are the losses for the banks? It can be a loss of human life. But the actual monetary loss is not so hard. But if you compare it to digital world, for example, the SWIFT case a couple of years ago, when the adversaries were able to extract like tens of millions of dollars from bank without causing any harm for a human being. So it's really hard to compare which one is safer. We need different kind of people mitigating this risk. In digital world, digital people like us in our company, and analog world demands different kind of people mitigating those risks. What the open APIs are bringing to cybersecurity world, I think it's widening the threat landscape, but it's opening more, how to say, attack vectors for adversaries, like Finnish bank, Finnish customers. They're opening up their APIs to the world. So when the customer base gets more international, so will be the threats. When you handle customer data like the big companies are handling in this world, it definitely brings more risks. But if you handle the data according to laws and regulations, the risks against privacy get smaller. This is the way the world is now, and we have to use the data, that the companies have to use the data. And the key point is how to do it. I would say that the open APIs and the world they open, it demands more resources, more skillful people to work for the cybersecurity. The latest trends of testing the security is attack simulation. The two kind of services that you can engage, like red teaming or attack path mapping. In red teaming, it's more like term black box testing. You conduct an attack simulation using real-life adversaries, tactics, tools, and procedures. It's more about testing your company's ability to detect and respond. And the other way is attack path mapping, which is more collaborative way, where we do an attack simulation together with the customer. We talk with customer and we create attack paths to your organization. Both are attack simulations, but the one is done in covered and one is collaborative with the customer.